You never want to use a used gasket on, especially a head gasket. You want to go with new gaskets. You want to get them from a quality, whatever manufacturer made them. If you want to make your own gaskets, of course head gaskets can't be made, not like this anyway. You can go down to any auto parts store. If you're in America, I don't know about outside continental United States, and you can buy sheets of gasket material that look like this. And this is 3M 800 wet or dry. This is how it comes for just your consumer using it. Now, I know I've got this flat right here, and as you can see, there are a lot of holes right here. And I'm going to go over this slowly so that you can come back and look at it. I know it may be boring, but I'll make each one of these videos about 3 minutes because that's the average attention span of people watching everything. You have this hole right here is where the chain comes through and runs the valves, which are right here. And you can see that this is where the chains come through, and the cam is right in here, the camshaft that goes around, and that's what runs the valves. These two little beauties right here, which I've cleaned up. Over here, what we have is the water galleries. This is your water jacket. Excuse me. This is your water jacket right here. It surrounds it, just like a jacket you wear in the winter, but it's got water in it. Now these holes right here in the gasket are specially made, their size is perfect. What that does is it slows the water that comes through the engine and goes back out and becomes cooler, because the water pump is run off the engine, and so it can run a lot of water through here, but the water around the jacket has got to move at a certain rate. Therefore, you do not want to enlarge these at all. And you can see on the corresponding holes over here on the head, some of them are larger or smaller. You don't want to play with those either. Now what you can use a gray moto seal. This is Permatex makes a really good setup on this to put on your gaskets. The moto seal is designed for motocross racers like this, or engines, well, mainly motocross engines, which are taken apart after every race and checked. So you have a really good gasket material, but one that can be removed and replaced quickly. And that's a good thing. Now what I like is the Permatex, it's a spray-on copper gasket. And the spray-on copper gasket is really sticky. You spray all this and it turns gold, and you turn it over and it turns gold, and then you spray a little bit on here. Well, I wouldn't do that, but anyway, when you put this on and you're going to go put your head on right here, this sticks, and the copper is waterproof, very sticky, and it gives you an excellent bond. That's what you really want on that. Now we're going to go on to the valves.